Avoid working inside the toilet bowl and trap without taking strict precautions to protect yourself and the fixture. When you reach into the bowl or the trap, start by putting on heavy-duty gloves that are tucked over your wrists so bacteria and dirty water cannot contact your skin. Choose reusable nitrile or rubber gloves rather than thin disposable ones because they resist punctures and chemical degradation. Turn off the water supply at the shutoff valve and flush to lower the water level so you do not submerge your arm in contaminated water. Use a small cup or siphon to remove remaining liquid if needed. Work slowly and use the right tool for the task, rather than forcing your hands into tight spaces. For example, use an Allen wrench for set screws, or a straightened coat hanger with a protective tip for snagging minor clogs, so you avoid scraping or chipping porcelain. Protect the rim and bowl by patting any metal tools with tape or a rag where they contact ceramic surfaces, and never twist a tool hard against porcelain because hairline cracks can form. After finishing, disinfect tools and gloves with a bleach solution or a tuberculocidal cleaner and allow them to air dry outside the work area to prevent cross-contamination. Finally, inspect the bowl and trap carefully for hairline damage and run water through the system several times to check for leaks and to confirm normal operation. Common mistakes include plunging or forcing tools without lowering the water level, which can splash contaminated water and increase exposure risk, so always shut off the supply and remove excess water first. Another frequent error is using bare hands or thin gloves that tear easily, which raises the chance of infection and skin irritation. So choose thick nitrile or rubber gloves. And consider disposable liners under reusable gloves for easier cleanup. People often use improvised metal tools without protecting the ceramic, which can chip or crack the bowl, so wrap tool ends with tape or cloth and apply only gentle, controlled force. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project guidance tailored to home repairs like plumbing. We keep a discussion community on the site where we and other members share hands-on tips, recommend tools, and discuss trusted local professionals.